Hello, today I am sharing how to clean and cook sleeper lobster, which is also known as crayfish. This recipe uses a combination of pan fry, deglaze, and stir fry methods to create a thick finger-licking sauce. Here are the ingredients required. Let's start the preparation. Peel and cut ginger into silken shreds. If you do not want to eat all the ginger, cut some into thin slices. Peel and mince the garlic. Next, peel and cut shallots into thin slices. Shave off the tiny root hairs from the coriander roots and keep the white part. It is edible and aromatic. Cut and separate the lower part of the coriander stalk from the leafy parts. Cut away the roots of spring onions. Cut the top darker green parts into lengths of about 2 inches. Cut the bottom parts into shorter lengths. Separate them. Moving on to clean the sleeper lobster. Remove external unfertilized eggs on the shell. Give the shell a good scrub with a brush. Pull off the legs and scrub the shell underneath. Remove the chest of the sleeper lobster with a knife. Use your fingers to dig out and pull out all the innards and hard parts. Keep any golden colored tomeli. Next, use a sharp knife or chopper to cut the lobster into halves. Coat the exposed lobster meat with arrowroot or potato flour. Non-stick pans should not be used as the shells will scratch the pan. Boil enough oil for pan frying the lobster pieces. Place the pieces with meat side face down. Fry for about 3 minutes maximum. Do not worry if there is brown fried flour stuck at the bottom of the pan. The flour has absorbed the natural sweetness of the lobster and is going to be part of the delicious sauce after deglazing. Remove the pieces and set aside. Add some oil. Add ginger, garlic, shallot, coriander roots, bottom part of the spring onion into the pan. Gently scrape the delicious fried flour from the pan. When the aromatics start smelling fantastic, add in the lobster pieces. Add in the chicken stock. Stir and toss. This step will further loosen the caramelized bits on the pan. Add in the fermented black bean sauce. Then the light black bean soya sauce and some pepper if you like. Finally, add in the remaining spring onions and coriander leaves when the sauce has thickened. Keep tossing. It is ready when the sauce has fully thickened and coats each piece nicely. The dish is not oily and yummy to eat. Every drip of the sauce on the shells is worth licking up for. Thank you for watching. To receive notifications for more creative and simple home-cooked food, please subscribe to my channel.